Hey friends, for math today, you are going to be using your pencil and your math pages 333 and 334. On these two pages, we're going to be looking at teen numbers on this first page, giving our brain a picture of what teen numbers look like if we were using squares filled with circles. Then on the back side, we're going to be talking about number partners of 10 and number partners of 6. So let's look at the front first. Get your pencil ready. The first one's already done for us, so we're going to look at it. We're going to think about the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We're going to give our brain a picture, and we want our brain to think about these teen numbers are 10 and some more ones. We've talked about that before in school, so this is like a review. So the first one is done. It says 11 equals 10 plus 1. So there are 10 circles filled in right here to give our brain the picture that we're using 10 and one more. So we know that 11 equals 10 plus 1. So if we're thinking about the number 12, we need 10 plus how many more? So let's go ahead and do our 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have our 10 circles. How many more circles do we need to make to show 12? So we put our finger along here and we slide it and we say 10, 11, 12. So we need 2 more circles to show 12. So now we know 12 equals 10 plus 2 more. So for teen numbers, we're always using 10 and some more. I want you to go through and make the circles for each of those numbers. So for 13, you're going to have 10 plus how many more to make 13. Go ahead and finish all the way to number 19. You can stop the video if you'd like so that you can work on those. When you're ready, you're going to work on the back side, and we're going to look at number partners. So we always have a way for our brain to think about it. We can have a picture and we can have an equation. That gives us 2 ways to think about the numbers. So right here, the first ones are done for us. This is showing 10 equals 9 plus 1. So we have 9 that are not colored and 1 that is colored. So that is 9 plus 1. Now here is the switch. You guys know what that is, the switch. There is 10 altogether, but there is 1 that is not colored and 9 that are. That's the switch. So you are going to write the equations that the picture shows, and they are going to be switches. So let's do a couple together. Right here we have 10. How many are not colored? So you want to write the number of how many are not colored first. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are written in 10 frames. So if you want to just glance at it and know that there are 8 that are not colored, you can do that too. So 10 equals 8 plus how many are colored? 2. 8 plus 2. Okay, what is the switch? Go to this next part. How many are not colored? 2 are not colored plus 8 that are colored. So there is the switch. So I want you to finish the rest of them for 10 and the rest of them for 6. Good job, my friends. You guys are doing so good with math.